Hello friends, how are you? What is the Google Lead service, Google Lead Ads and Google Leads work? Uh, Very important that part of my lecture, my class on my channel. What is Google Leads service and Google Leads, how to business and your brand, your benefit, your revenues, very small business, large business, all business that gain the Google Lead service and lead generation. What is the Google Lead Service? Google Lead Service is not an affiliate with Google in any way. It is defect name for a wrong advertising network that display instead and the portably harmful ads on your browser. Thus, ad many look like legasting, limiting Google ad, but they are actual designed to generate revenues for the create of Google lead service. Some of the ad may also lead you the finished scan and manable inform website. This is Increed website. Google lead service in classified and AdWord, which is type and software then modification is that your browser setting in ingest under unwanted ads into your web page. AdWord can also collect your browsing data, search and request and visit website, and your IP address and your professional information, and your data can be used delivered more targeted ads on your sold the potential without your consent. How was Google Lead Service instant on your companies? How was Google Lead Service installing on your companies? Google Leads is usually distribution through a software branding, which is the difference and directive technologies that is hidden additional programs within an installation of another programs. For example, you may have downloaded a free software from the unable source the generate and installing Google Lead service along with the without notification, some things in option delete and customize, and that installation and hidden and over selecting difference. Another way Google Lead Service can infect your computers and throws the and pop-up and readings and appears components website throws and pop-ups and reads my client and you needed update this browser. Installing is missing plugin and so can computer in which click in them. The Google Lead Service and click our computer for others Melicons program, please and there's removal addition rows. The inside of for Google Leads. The guide may be appearing soon over that the number to set up and numerous programs that are the being used. We have only writing and this OI the proper client distance on its say understanding including that any OI can use the for the phrase the phrase performance then set up your correct order in if you question and does any point and this the Google Lead service from your computer forward this type use the dictate software installation and set browser breaking user etc. Set up app click and adjustment. The lot of system and the Google collect Google leads and this years. The Google ad leads generate for lead generation. You will know take about your companies use Google lead generation ads. A business owner main goal the including and generate leads. Direct response the campaign account the customer to take an specific action and charge the buying a product, sign in, sign up, and receive a news and carrying then campaign in Google Ads. So follow some better picture campaign in generate traffic. Lead are also no traffic generate and company grow your Google Ads conversion, the motivate customer to complete your purchase, growth content details in sign up page and generate lead, distribution information through your website by including traffic. You can choose to have ads a per search site, then Google with and Google ad and including generate leads that is site can drive additional high quality traffic of your business. This search partner produces in ad next and search result. The above discussed explain the importance of Google Ads and the lead from extension. For more information how to set your Google lead generation ad campaign, click here. How to conversion Google ad lead from extension. Conversion are important part of Google lead generation ad and install make take result unlimited business show serve and generate sales and ready to list. PPC pay per click reporting template provide business with is all including data or message their return on investment ORI and the return on ads spent. iTrails and have business around his marketing budget and studies. Get free application process a full panel strategy in the advertise to take in quality enable orders list for following some the benefits and tracking conversion on your website. Analyze how visit increase your site, making information decision about website update and changing, and identify does marketing change that drive on generation. Analyze SEO result. Those you consider academy new costing you can drag and PPC campaign and support more efficacy. The location targeting and discover targeting keyword performance and more. If therefore important of you track your campaign from all sides if you hold important that the performance. However, this is difficult without an use and the effective marketing tools such and PPC single. There are many tools available these the purpose but PPC single great and choose. This is the tool provide you the real time information without watching them and using PPC can the relevant information about campaign performance and singleize and your tools and the several items. However, grow your ads and Google conversion. What a lead generation campaign in Google Ads. Lead generation campaign in Google Ads. Google lead generation is a targeted advanced campaign that is design, caption, and customer information that is usually include contact the information like an email address and phone number. Lead generation campaign in topical use state like and pop up from and call to action and use website visitor provide you can contact information once the visitors submit information that I can use for marketing and sales promote lead generation can use be and the effect or generate new leads and grow your business. Google ad better than the others and sites. Google ad tools for more effective than generate lead and sales because use the Google are traffically in defense than they are traffical action the similar products and service done and process those and newsfeed and result more like and to action response and Google them on of it. Where Google lead generation adds the more commission update in clean and this and data particle and proper content and lead generation are more likely convert sales when they can't and action needed the lead generation with Google ad and lower cost. To use the online advertising, always you targeted ads on traffically customer when the exchange those are this. Using the Google ads, you can target potential customers. Potential customers search and products and several extension the Google ads campaign. Lead from the extension propelling with your the lead generation campaign tracking and PPC single come in. Friends, very interesting and touch and information on the Google lead generation, uh, Google ads great in lead generation, how to Google leads and from extension work, and Google campaign lead generation. What is the Google lead service and Google leads and Google leads generation? Thank you, best of